Adding DailyBot to Google Chat is really simple. First, we're going to go up here to New Chat, and we're going to click on Find Apps. And here we're going to look up DailyBot. Once we find DailyBot, we're going to click on it, and then we're going to click on Install. We're going to click Continue here, and we're going to sign in to DailyBot with our Google account. We're going to wait for Google to authenticate us. Now that Google authenticated us, we're going to click Next, and we're going to click on Complete Additional Setup, which will send us to DailyBot's main page. Here we're going to click Add to your chat, and we're going to start with Google Chat. We will need another authentication here with Google. So we're going to select our account, and we're going to give DailyBot permission to sign in with Google. After we are signed in, we're going to be redirected to the start of our onboarding. Here we're going to select how we found out about DailyBot and what our role in our company is, just some preliminary information, and agree to the terms of use. And now we are in DailyBot. We'll be prompted to create our first check-in, and we will click there on Add from Workspace, so we can add people from our Google Chat workspace. We'll have to do a quick authentication so DailyBot can see who is in our Google workspace. We'll just click Allow there. And after that, we'll see that we can invite anyone from our Google workspace into DailyBot so they can fill in check-ins. We will also invite DailyBot to a space, and we will create a space for reporting. Here I created Reports DailyBot. We're going to go and click the space name, and we'll click on Apps and Integrations. Here we will add apps, and once it shows up, we'll click on DailyBot. Now we can share reports on that space, as you can see here. DailyBot is like, hi everyone, you can share reports here. And if we go to DailyBot, you can see that we can select this channel now for sharing our reports. Now that your first check-in is set up, you can scroll down for some more quick actions like giving kudos, inviting your team, going to the DailyBot Academy to know more about DailyBot and play around with it.